Again, it's Priscilla Batzell, and this is part 2. I'm at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio in Spring Hill, Florida, and this turned out to be really, really dark. And I really still love it, but unless you have a light shining on it, it looks much darker in person than it does in the camera monitor. So I'm going to do something that might be considered a travesty by some, or maybe not. I'm going to add some Fandango. And I already tested out my theory as to whether I was going to like it or not, and I hope I do. I kind of decided that, let's see, if I move that way, if I move this way, I'm moving out of my own way. Moving out of my own way sounds like a good plan. And I thought I would just pull the top up. And I think that's going to look good. I am going to clean off the paint around the tip. And I think that it's going to do what I need to do, which is to add the drama and lighten up the bottom. And who knows what else I could do after that. I want to make sure not to run into uncharted territory. I probably could have left it the way it was, but just ever so gently with the skewer. I thought about putting gold in there also. I thought about doing the stems, but I couldn't bring myself to do that. Doesn't mean there can't be a part 3. I think this is going to be good. I did make up a color that I kind of think that I might add a few dots in here. That might brighten up. That's Marooned, and what's my other favorite? It's not Deep Crimson. It's not Cupid's Crush. Well, it kind of is actually. But, oh, the Rapsody Rose. So even if you can't see a stem in between, it sort of implies that it's there. By leaving the gap. And I'm sure I could pull out little tendrils up on the edges if I wanted to of my so-called foliage. And I know I could fill in between. Wow, that's a really fat line. Let's even them up a little bit. Let's take this. Very cautiously put it over here. Okay, I'm going to do that thing I said I was going to do, but I'm going to do it with a fresh skewer. Well, fresh is maybe the wrong word. A paintball skewer, a different one. I'm really hoping my head's not obscuring everything. Do I keep going down? Do I put one in the middle? Do I want a gold dot in there? What do I want? Something? Anything? I don't know. Maybe some interference. Maybe some interference gold. Because the interferences react really interestingly over darker colors. I don't mind that. I'm going to take the skinny end of this skewer, making sure there isn't not really a heart. It is interesting trying to get the same amount. I want a dot up there too. And I've got that color I love, the Rapsody Rose. And nothing to show it up. So we'll dot that as well. I don't think I can hurt anything. It's so dark. It was my mistake and I learned my lesson. And I like my results anyway. As long as I don't stick my hand into the painting. And I should have gone over here next. Came very close. There. I'm happy with that, or I'm pretty happy with that anyway. I keep wondering what else I can put in there. Kind of want all kinds of stuff. I'm wondering. No, I'm going to leave it alone pretty well. Maybe I'm going to put a little bit of Emperor's Gold right into this lighter area. Because it is a very different color. Than the pale gold it's going on top of. Yeah, I see it. It's got to go there. It just called to both of us, didn't it? Or maybe not. Maybe it was just me. In any case, that's done. I'm calling it. I'm calling it good. Putting my lid back on my paint. Telling you guys I love you. Make sure to check my link tree. Don't forget about the 15% off Colour Arte coupon code, and I am an affiliate. Makes me want to put dots in here too now. Well, if there's dots in the picture, you'll know what happened. That's striking. I really, really like this. Oh, I was supposed to shimmer that at you. Well, I don't know if I can shimmer that at you. I can try. It's very shiny. These cells down here are absolutely beautiful little leopard cells. They're very iridescent. They look like stained glass. They really do look like Art Nouveau glass. In any case, I love you guys. I hope you come again. I post at 2:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I'll be back again soon. You can find tomorrow's video on my channel by going to the community board. You can also find playlists on playlists, all playlists, creative playlists when you start there. Please leave me a comment. Thank you for your kind words and your donations that help keep me making painting tutorials for you guys. Thank you for shopping my Amazon link at no added cost to you and finding my 2 books there because I can and unlimited possibilities. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com should you have an inquiry after an artwork or possibly information about a lesson. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for being here. I love you all. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.